How to change password on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the SkyTech Studio. So if you want to change your PIN, password or pattern, whatever you have set it up on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, you can easily change this out. But so now to change the password on a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, you just need to head over to the settings app of your phone and then scroll down a little bit and you'll get the option lock screen. You just need to tap on this and then simply go and tap on screen lock type, the first option, and this will record your phone PIN code or pattern, whatever you have set it up. So I'm going to enter my PIN code here. Now once you do that, you'll get to see a few different options. So you have to select the option that is your current lock. So I already set the PIN lock, so I just want to change the PIN to a different one. So I'm going to select the PIN, but if you have password or pattern, you can set this option as well. So I'm going to tap on PIN here. Now this is asking me to enter a new PIN, so I'm going to enter a new PIN here. And once you have entered the new PIN twice, your PIN code will be changed. And this is how you actually can change the password on Samsung phone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.